11:31. Now the party's done. Get off the floor. Time to go home. Or you can stay the night. I know where we've been, yeah. But baby, that was then. Who knows where this goes? I'm scared of this ghost. Oh, don't assume I don't, just because I won't fall in. Maybe after this we can call it quits, destiny. Maybe we should try. Maybe we should try. What if it's different this time? What if we lose? What if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again? Again, no. It's 11:55. It's getting cold outside. It's colder in here. I made ice from my tears. No, don't assume I don't, just because I won't fall in. Maybe after this we can call it quits, destiny. But maybe we should try. Maybe we should try. What if it's different this time? What if we lose? What if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again? Again, oh. In my dream, I'll never let you go. We never were alone. Yeah. Like a rose, never grew its thorns, blossomed on our own. What if we lose? What if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again?
Please, just tell me what's on your mind. 'Cause I don't have time to figure it out. Figure it out. We haven't been our best for long. I think that we're just holding on to something that won't work out. Maybe we should walk away, just say goodbye and go our separate ways. I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. We're falling down. We're falling down. What's happening right now? I think we're falling down. I think we're falling down. I've tried so hard to make you happy, and I know that you tried your best as well.